Okay, so let's analyze the EURJPY pair. So for this pair, first we have to go to daily time frame to see the trend. So first we have to, so I will put here the sequence on what are we going to check before putting our trade. So number one, we have to look for the trend. Sorry. So as you can see here on the daily time frame, it's clear that the price is going down. But if we go to weekly, or monthly to see the larger time frame demand, it appears to be until here, and then there was a retest for this already, like 2017, long time ago. So based on our strategy, once the level has been retested, it becomes weaker and weaker until the price will be able to cut through into it, because like what they said, the buyers or sellers on that level has already been exhausted. So at the moment, the price is currently here, 118,586, and the strength is still down, and we are expecting it to reach until here. And let's once the price reaches here, then we will wait again for the next move. It is either going up or going down. So okay, so this is for our monthly time frame. So if we go back to weekly, it's the same, a retrace. So this is nice because the price has just going return back for a retrace. It's the best time for us to sell, not here. So for example, if the price goes here at the bottom, oversold that's what they said, so this is not the right time to sell. That's why, for example, if you sell on this level, so look what happened, you'll be wiped out. So in this case, after a series of selling, it's better for us to wait until the price retrace and listen to the market, or observe if the price will if the price is just going for a retracement or really a reversal. Okay, so in this case, for me, it appears that the price is still on the retracement mode or downtrend mode and just retracing, or just making a corrective action, not really like a reversal. Nothing much like we can see on this for a reversal, not yet. Though our channel, downward channel, has been broken several times, so it is telling us the strength of the trend actually. So this trend line is a powerful tool as well. We cannot just use this we can use this for channel trading. It goes down, you buy, goes up, you sell. But this can be also a measurement for the strength of the price. As you can see here, it appears that the sellers are stronger compared to the buyers, as it keeps punctuating the lower channel. Going down, buyers came in, going up, then sellers coming in, and then it bounced back again from the bottom. So in this case, in the weekly, in the daily, so it appears here that there's still a big room for us to sell the instrument. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, which is my favorite time frame, as we can see a lot of imbalances in this time frame, and always respected. The price always respects the level on this hourly time frame. Excuse me. So as you can see here, my bias is still downtrend. So after we analyze the trend of the overall direction of the pair, as I note down here earlier, next we have to trend of the larger time frame. Typically it should be daily, okay, based on my strategy. And then the next is find the entries at the lower time frame, such as 4-hour to 1 hour. Okay, so this determination of the hour for your entry is a bit tricky. So later on we'll be able to find out why, or if I cannot mention it right now, maybe in the next blog. So as you can see here, there's a reverse, something like a rejection on this part. But if we look at here, there's nothing much. We can see a level on here, but definitely there's, on this level, there's a seller. But for me, I mark it here. So if ever I want to buy, to sell, I would rather sell on this level. So for me, it is clear that there's a supply in this part. But for example, if we go to 8 hours, let's say this one. Oh, see, this one is also a nice level to sell. Only on the 8-hour chart. I can borrow that one. Yeah, I usually put a lot of these rectangle boxes to indicate my levels, and I don't have time to clear them out. So I have to save. On this part here, it means there's a strong sellers group of sellers who are willing to sell at this level before reaching this one. How much? So meaning yeah, it appears here that the sell bias is very strong because it cannot even reach this level. So for me, this guarantees that the sell bias is still intact. So as we can see here, even though the price has not reached yet our sell level, but a supply level here has been formed already. And then as you can see, the price going up but rejected, then continue going down. Same with the US dollar JPY, I believe. The same reaction on the market. And I think that the correlation between USD and EURJPY are big or huge, or they are in a positive correlation. Actually, there's I have a tool that I'm using to check the correlation, but maybe we can discuss this in the other time. Okay, so let's go back to the 4-hour chart. So we're clear that there are a lot of sell levels here that we can rely on, or we can put our trade on the 4-hour chart. So we are pretty much confident that a lot of things that may happen on the sell side rather than on the buy side on this matter. So in my case here, the immediate sell level is here. We're in. We can put our sell trade. Then if it goes back, but sometimes what I do, if this price action, when I see this price action, usually I just put my stop limit here, so that if the price goes down, so my trade will be hit and I'm on a positive direction. Then usually I just observe the market until if I know that it will go back, then I will just close the trade. So since this one I wasn't able to catch the move, so I'll just wait with the retracement and then sell the trade up to here. So we will watch this in this coming days, because today is weekend here in Kuala Lumpur, wherein I'm staying. So we can do like this and put your trade here. For me, it could be reached until here, and then let's observe again the price once it reaches here, if it goes down, go up, or goes down. Okay, so I think that's all for now, folks, and hope to see you again on the next vlog. Bye.